Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Taylor's Travels channel analytics. She has uploaded 30 videos. She now has 153k subscribers with a total view of 10,934,864 views. Her channel type is People. She created her channel since May 24, 2013. The grade she got is B. She ranked at 25,982nd in People. Next, the daily subs for Taylor is around 200 with a daily view of 30,052. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 30,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $120. Then, monthly income will be $3,600. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $1,980 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $23,760. That is how much Taylor's Travels earns from YouTube.